So here we are going to do concept of bond formation. Okay, when a chemical reaction happens, okay, what is the need of chemical reaction? So what happens, every element, just like carbon, okay, for example carbon, so I'm taking here its atomic structure. Carbon has 4 electrons in its shell. Okay, so this is your periodic table. As you can see, it comes on number 6. That means its atomic number is 6. That means it has 6 electrons. Okay, so I am writing here 6. So according to magic number, 2 electrons will be in first shell. Okay, and 4 will be in second shell. 1, 2, 3, 4. So its configuration is 2, 4. Okay, what is magic number? 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 36. So every element want to achieve these all figure in its last shell. Okay, so carbon has 4 in its last shell. According, it want to be 8, right? So it has two possibility, whether give this 4 electron to somebody else or get 4 more from others. Okay, so in search of 4 electrons, okay, so bond formation will happen here. So we will be taking another element, oxygen. Oxygen comes here in number 8. Okay, that means it has 8 electrons. Okay, its atomic number is 8, so it has 8 electrons. Now we will be drawing here atomic structure of oxygen. So according to magic number, first shell will have 2, second will have 6. Okay, 2 plus 6, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 comma 6. Done. So how many will be needed by oxygen? Only 2 electrons to B8 to get this stable structure. So what will be the possibility? So they will share electrons in between. Okay, so this is your, I'm writing 2, number 2, okay, because first shell has the 2. I'll be making here. Now it is carbon, it is oxygen. First shell has 2 electrons. Okay, I'll be shading it. It has 4 electrons. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It needs 2, right? So it will be making bond with this electron of carbon. So when we will be counting with the bond, okay, so now the last shell of oxygen will have 6 its own and 2 it is sharing. So it is 8. That means it has achieved the electronic configuration as your magic number. So now it is stable, right? So every time we cannot represent our equation like this. So we have to remember here atomic numbers, okay, and we can make the simple equation. Okay, this is equation, which you say reaction or representation of chemical reaction. Okay, so what will happen? C plus O will combine. Okay, so now listen, what about carbon? Okay, so carbon also want to get 8 electrons, so it has told one more oxygen to be here. If one more oxygen will be here, again the same condition will be here. It is oxygen 2 here and 6 in outer shell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 6 in outer shell. So it is sharing the outermost electron of carbon. Okay, so I should be making it a little bit near, no problem. Okay, so it is making bond. So it is just like this: carbon double bond oxygen, carbon double bond oxygen. So oxygen has 6 electron its own and 2 it is getting by sharing of carbon, and 2 it is getting of sharing of the carbon. Now carbon is also 4 is already there in the last shell. 2 it has shared of oxygen from this side, 2 from here. So 2 plus 2, 4. 4, 2 from this side, 2 from this side. So total 8. So now it is also stable. So they are very, very smart. Okay. So two molecules of oxygen combines with carbon makes CO2. By doing this thing, they have made carbon dioxide. Okay. So if how to represent carbon dioxide? This is your carbon dioxide. One carbon, two oxygen.